facing your right in overhand weave. And then from the overhand weave, make sure your right foot is forward. We're going to swivel to the left and turn to underhand weave on the left. And then from the underhand weave, when the left hand is on top, extend it. When it's on top, extend it. So it'll go under, over, extension, back to underhand weave. Under, over, extension, back to weave. And then come back to the regular weave. We're going to try that with the right one. So when the right hand is on top, make it bigger. Make it bigger. Make it bigger. And then just back to the underhand weave. And now we're going to turn to the right into the overhand weave again. Okay, and now open it up into circles on your side. Right, now from overhand here, let's go into same time. And let's practice some stalls. We'll do a right stall. So the right one stops, comes back behind you, comes up in underhand while the left hand is overhand. And then with the left over and the right under, take your right poi again, stall it, and then bring it back up into overhand. We're going to do that again. So we're going to stall the right poi while the left one keeps spinning. So keep spinning the left one and then bring the right one up into underhand while the left one stays in overhand. And then we're going to stall the right poi again and bring it up into overhand. And then we're going to stall the right poi again, bring it up into underhand, keeping the left one spinning in overhand. And then we're going to stall the right poi again, bring it up into overhand. And then we're going to stall the right poi again and bring it up to underhand while the left one stays in overhand again. And then we're going to stall the right poi again, bring it up into overhand. Then we're going to do one more stall with the right poi, bring it back behind, come into underhand. And now what you're going to do is turn your body and then take your right poi and flip it to the front so that you're in overhand butterfly on the front. And then we're going to go out with the right one and come back in, out with the right one, come back in, out with the right one, come back in. Last time, out with the right one, come back in. Now the left side, 4 here, and 3, and 2, and 1. We're going to go back to the right, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Back to the left, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Now, come into the butterfly again. Now we're going to go up with the right hand and come back down. Up with the right hand, come back down. Up with the right and back down. Last time, up with the right, back down. Now do it with the left hand. Go up and then down and up, and 2 more times. Up and down. Last time, up and down. Now the right side. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now the left one. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Back to the right, and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Back to the left, and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Now come back down into the butterfly. Now we'll do right out and in, then left out and in, and then right up and down, and then left up and down. We'll do right out and in, then left out and in, then right up and down, left up and down. And we'll repeat it. Right out and in, left out and in, right up and down, left up and down. Next set, right out and in, left out and in, right up and down, left up and down. Last set, right out and in, left out and in, right goes up and down, left goes up and down. Now you're back in the butterfly. Take the 2 poi, stall them out to the side and try and get them flat like this into the iron cross, and then bring it back into underhand butterfly. So let's do the takeouts here with the right poi. Go out and in, out and in, out and in, out and in. Left poi and out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in. Right poi, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Left poi, 4 and 3 and 2 and back to the right, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Back to the left, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the right. Last set, 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Left side, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to do a butterfly turnaround to the right. So take your right poi out, but leave it there behind you. Now you're going to turn to the right side, and then you're going to keep turning so that you're turning away from me. And when you turn away from me, bring your left poi up and over into the overhand butterfly on the back wall. So you flip the left one in. Then we're going to take the right poi out again, turn toward me now, and when you bring it to the front, you'll take the left poi and come into the underhand butterfly in front of you. Let's do that again. So the right poi comes out, you turn your body 180 degrees so you're facing away from me. Your left poi should be in underhand, your right one in overhand, and then you're going to turn to the right and flip the left poi into overhand butterfly facing the back wall. Then flip the right poi out again, turn right, come into underhand butterfly, and now we're going to try a turn to the left. So remember, the butterfly stays parallel to this screen in front of me the whole time. We're going to take the left poi out, turn to the left, flip the right poi into overhand butterfly on the back wall, and then take the left one out again, turn, and flip the right poi into underhand butterfly on the front. So let's just do the left poi alone without the right poi. Make sure we have this right. You're going to take it, flip it, turn your body. It should be overhand on the back wall. Now you're going to flip it back behind you, turn your body, and it should be in front of you.